Teams means where we are grouping reps for commission calculation. So teams are mainly using for two purposes. So one is statement access. Statement access in the sense which allow team leads to view their team member statement. And another is roll-ups. Roll Roll-ups means it is used to calculate managers or leaders' commissions based on team's performance. And let's see how to create team in SPIFF. So here in home page there is an option teams. So here right top there is add new team. Here we can add teams individually, or if we have bulk teams we can add via upload multiple teams. So once we click on it we will get a upload option. So from here we can download the sample file. So this is the sample file. So this team name, user ID, this shows in red color means these are mandatory. And likewise, we can give the team name and the user ID. User ID means the users should present in the SPIFF org. So user ID should be valid. We have to give the user ID, and effective and as of and effective until are optional. That is why it shows black color. We can give the dates and upload. If we have a bulk of users need to assign to a team, we can use this option. So now I am going to show how to assign a team with this option, add new team, sales admin. So this is my team, sales admin. Create team. Yeah, this is the team, sales admin. So here there are right top. Here also I can add sales reps. Here also there is two option. This is the option for assigning team lead to this team, and this is the option for assigning team members. So first I am assigning a team lead. So I'm assigning Adam Smith as the team lead. I can assign multiple team leaders, but now I'm assigning only one team lead. So Adam Smith is the team lead, and now I'm assigning team members. So team members, Andrea. So these four people are team members. So this is the effective as of and until date at team members. So now I created a team called a sales admin and assigned a team lead and assigned 4 team members. If I want to remove this team lead, I can do that here. And if I need to edit, so there is an option for changing effective date, effective from date and until date. And here there is an option called statement access, full access and partial access. So full access means in default, team lead access will be full access. So what is the difference between full access and partial access? So full access means it is in default access and team lead can see statement of all team members for all current and future plan automatically. But if we are selecting partial access, team lead can see statements only for selected plans that we need to choose manually. For example, if I click here I need to select which plan this team lead can see the statements automatically. So if I select commission, then this team lead can see the statements of only this plan, not others. So likewise, we can edit the statement access. So now I'm giving full access. Save changes. And if I need to remove any user from this plan, I can do that. Click edit, select here, and there is a delete option. We can do that, but SPIFF is not recommend to delete users from teams. Instead, we can change the effective dates. So that is the best practice. So that is one way of creating teams from home page. There is option of teams, and there we can create teams. And if we want to add more team members, we can do from here. And another option of creating team is go to admin users. So we will get a page like this. Here there is an option of team assignment. So here I can see this all are sales admin. I, I can see the reps and the corresponding teams. So here if I need to edit the effective dates or anything, I can edit from here. And if I need to add new team members to the team, I can do from here. Add team assignments. There is an option. Select the team where I need to add new members. If I need to add new members to this team, team 1, select it and I can add new members. Bella and Brad. So Bella and Brad is added to team 1. So likewise we can assign team members here, and there is an option if I I have so many users to assign in a particular team, I can do via upload. Download the sample file. So this is the sample file. So this is the sample file. I need to upload these two users in the team which I created now. So now I created a team called sales admin. And in sales admin team, how many team members? Andrea, Eva, Bella, and Brad. So I need to assign these two users. So let's see who are these users. So one user is Adam Smith, and the other user is Brad Miller. Brad Miller is already there. So I need to add some other users for that. Carlos. This is the ID of Carlos. This is Carlos ID. An effective date should be in year, month, date format. Okay, so I need to assign these two users in the newly created team. External ID should be user ID. From here, complete. So we have added Yeah, we have added Carlos to the sales admin team and Eva. We have added Eva and Carlos to the sales admin team via upload. So this is the one way of uploading team members to the team. And another option is go to user profile. So in user profile we have an option here, team assignment, plan assignment and quota assignment. Here we can directly add, sorry, here we can directly add which team, sales admin team, service team, team 1. So which team these reps need to add, here we can do that. So this is another way of adding team members. And there is another option called sub teams. So go to sub teams. Here we can add sub teams. Click here. We can see what are the available teams here. And I'm making service team a sub team. Effective date is, so till this time period, service team will be the sub team of sales admin team. Add sub team. So in sub team, we can see there are two team members and there is one team lead. So this team lead have the statement access of all these team members, and the main team, sales team. So this is the team lead. Team lead. This team lead have the access of all these team members plus sub team access. So sub team there is one team lead and team members. So the team lead of the main team have the access of statement of all this entire team, include team lead and team members plus their own team members. So this is the sub-team connection. And when we go to automation, there is an option called a pair planning and pair quota. So here we can pair. What happen when we pair plan and teams together? So here there is an option. I can pair total sales plan with this team. So if I want to remove, I can do that. Similarly, I am pairing quotas with automate for team members and team lead. Okay, so here what happen is team members will automatically add to the plan paired to the sales admin team. So when we pair any plans with this team means this team members will automatically assign to the plan paired. Similarly, this team members will automatically assign to the quota paired. So we can check how it reflect in the quota and plan. So now I paired sales admin with plan called total sales. So all the team members of the this sales team will come to this plan. So Brad Miller, Carlos, Bella, everyone is available. Similarly, in the team, sorry, in the quota, this is the quota, and all the team members, Adam, Andrea, Brad, Carlos, all the team members came to the quota also. So this way we can pair teams with the plans and quota. So this is all about teams.